Yo, I'm Patrick.
And I built Ysusu, where you can save together and grow together, taking African tradition on chain. Ysusu digitizes traditional African saving circles using smart contracts on Hedera, deployed on testnet with a functional web interface. So what's the current problem? Traditional susu groups operate on cash and trust, manual record keeping, no transparency, and disputes with no audit trail. These limitations confine groups to neighborhoods. The $200 billion informal savings market in Africa hasn't evolved with the available technology. So what's the solution? Smart contracts automate fund collection and distribution. Every transaction record is on-chain. And there's also prediction games between members, between rounds to keep everyone engaged. And there's a web interface that works perfectly also on mobile. So how does it work? As you can see, we're already logged in. Let's go straight to the dashboard. So as you can see, you can create a circle here. You can fill in the name, how much you want to contribute, the amount of members, and the rounds. Then there you can also join a circle with an invite code, or you can browse the public circles that are not available yet. And Ysusu also functions as a payment platform where you can send payments to others. And you can receive payments by generating a link or a QR code. And you have your profile with a username, with some account statistics, and you have a transaction history. Everything is quite simple. You can check out the website on isusu.forsell.app, and you can check out the rest of the landing page, which explains a lot of the information of the website. So why Hedera? As I said, the low fees. Then there's also the very fast finality. Hedera is also EVM compatible, and it's a carbon negative network, which is ideal for a platform that's going to need a lot of transactions in a continent. So it's the current market opportunity. The current total addressable market is a 200 billion of informal savings, as I mentioned before. Business model is transaction fees and a subscription model with premium features. And the next step will be potentially a actual mobile app, even though I'm not quite sure if that's the right path to go. And then there should also be oracles for public prediction market. Currently, the prediction market is only private for trusted groups, so the outcome is also a consensus-based outcome in the group. So it's not for betting a lot of things, it's more for a fun engagement thing in the group. But I'm also looking at public circles where there also be public prediction markets where you need actual factories for. And there also need to be AMM pools for these markets. And I need to deploy a better factory pattern for each of the pools. And there, of course, needs to be compliance. Thank you for watching. This was Ysusu.